Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Any boy who says a kidnapper or whatever, that we don't want this work to be completed in our tenure, that person will die. That person will do what? Die. Anybody that does not want Ahoda to be a city, that person will not see good. I think I have some of the Juju. Now one is supposed to go to Juju. What can I go there? Tell me, Juju, Mbati is a big kill people. Go and kill those bad ones. When they stop the road, do you understand me? Nobody to go put, what I want to now, what I go put one kind of fake people for road there. He say, may they come collect the compensation. Come, 1 naira. 1 naira will not pay. Do you understand me? I saw that they do small juju. Tell the juju, I go put a mock for one air condition room. That air condition will kill on a juju. So send the juju, make him go keep people when I want the world to go on. Or the heaven down the turn. If not, if I catch him, that was if I catch him, air condition will kill him. On this basis, let me invite our son, Adigwe Ebeye, Esema Ebeye, the former deputy speaker. Let me tell you one thing before you come. Now let me tell you how this world is. He went to APC thinking that they will help him. The small job he had in MPA, the same APC took the job for him. I've never seen how people can be wicked in life. We are talking about empowering Rivers people, not so. Some people in Abuja say they empowered Rivers State. Meanwhile, the people that were empowered before they came there, you are removing them. Is that proper? Is that proper? And then you people, when they come out tomorrow night, social is coming. You wear green. Where did they come? We will promise you we will do this. We will do this. We will. What of the one we have done? When they were here, what did they do? They are saying we will, not the future. The one where you don't come, people say, I don't want to talk that on a religion. The one where you don't come, what do you do? You are waiting for second missionary journey. It's not available. So, see your son, the small thing he had in NPA, they took it away from him. He fit him. You go join something where we will help Rivers State. But let us see how God will help you. Now that God is going to bring back the Messiah to help you. You enter the voice mail. But here there's no voice mail. Come out from the wilderness and talk to your people and then lay the foundation, the flag of the dualization of this road. You don't know history. It's on your side. Right, Honorable Chubudom Muche. Come and talk to your people and flag off the road construction. Thank you and God bless you.
Our national rulers is a Tuwalepo, is a Poki, is a Ifamadweni, is a Kudia, is a Kegudi, the chairman of the council, our elders, our women, our youth. I greet you all. Today is indeed a historic day that our son and in-law has come once again to commission more projects in Akpeye land. The journey of his project commission in Akpeye began as soon as he became governor. He began by remedying the Ochiba, in fact, reconstructing the Ochiba and Ikata, Edoha Road, which was abandoned by the previous government for personal reasons. Since then, he hasn't looked back. He has done many projects He has rebuilt Western Ahoda County High School. He's doing Ahoda Odemereni Hugogo Road. Now we are on a dual carriageway from Ahoda to Omoko, being built by no other than the very reputable Julius Berger, whose projects last for very long. Indeed, our governor's name will be written in gold, and history will be kind to him, because he has put the people of the state, and Ekpe especially, in front by treating us as part of this state. For a while, we didn't feel that we belonged because we were left behind. As soon as he came, he elevated our stools, 5 in number, to first class. That is why today we have many of our kings, and the Igbus are very happy for this. These are part of the legacies he will leave for our state. Today, Port Harcourt is wearing a new face with flyovers all over the place. The city is being rebuilt. People say, oh, Port Harcourt, why Port Harcourt? Because all of us, all the elites, live in Port Harcourt. And besides, it's our showpiece. His Excellency has mentioned a few things which I will address. You know, in politics, where you stand doesn't really matter. What's important is that you will eventually find your way to where people value you, not where people see you as a threat, and instead of uplifting our people, they oppress them. We should focus our attention, those who are in power, to lifting people up, not to putting them down. There are many planes flying at the same time, they don't collide. So we would eventually look at what is going on in the country, and we shall form alliances based on true friendship, on sincerity. But on this note, I want to commend Governor Wike, because in spite of my not being in the PDP at the moment, he has treated me well. He gave me a state honor. While others pulled me down, he pulled me up. So I thank him very much. And in spite of my not being in the same party as himself, he has continued to empower our people in the Ekpe Kingdom. Both my supporters and those even in the APC, he empowers them. That is how a leader should be. I hope that this country will find a place for people like this, because he epitomizes the good in politicians. He's broad-minded, he's humble, he's outspoken, and if he gives you a word, you can go to sleep. That's what we need. Not those that lie to you, deceive you, oppress you, believing that only they must be the stars that shine. That's not right. That's not how God created the universe. So once again, I'm very pleased to commission this wonderful project, to flag up this project that the governor has so ably initiated, which he has awarded to a first-class company. So that means the project is made to last. And this is among several that's done in the state. Nobody would fail to notice the development strides of Governor Wike, whether you're an APC, whether you're an ABGA, whether you're in PDP, it doesn't matter what party you are. The projects are visible to all. So on this note, I very humbly flag off the dualized Ahoda Omoku Road with street lights to the glory of God, for our people's benefit, and may God bless the governor of the state who has so ably uplifted Ekpe Kingdom and our people. Thank you very much.